Good morning, student. In the previous class, we are doing practice of questions of chapter limit. Now today we will see take some other question and solve it. Let's see. Our first question is limit x tends to pi by 6 2 minus root 3 cos x minus sin x by 6x minus pi whole square. Okay, student. So this is our question and we have to find the limit of this question. Okay. So first of all, student, we will take x minus pi by 6 is equal to h. Okay, let and this x is equal to pi by 6 plus h. Okay, so we will change the limit. We write limit h tends to 0 and 2 minus root 3. And this is cos pi by 6 plus h and minus sin pi by 6 plus h by 6 pi by 6 plus h minus pi whole square. Okay, student. Now we will expand this limit x tends to 0 2 minus root 3. This is cos a plus b, so we write the formula of cos a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, this is root 3, so we write root 3 with both terms, with this term and this term. And now this is again sin a cos b minus cos a sin b and divided by, we are multiplying inside with 6, we get pi plus 6h minus 6 pi whole square, pi plus 6h minus pi and limit h tends to 0 2 minus, this is root 3 cos 30. Okay, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and this is cos h minus 3 sin 30 which is root 1 by 2 sin h and minus sin 30 1 by 2 cos h cos 30 root 3 by 2 sin h. Okay, and divided by, this part will be cancelled. Here will be 36h square. Now limit h tends to 0 2 minus, this is 3 by 2 cos h minus and minus will be plus and root 3 by 2 sin h minus 1 by 2 cos h minus root 3 by 2 sin h and by 36h square. We are seeing, student, that here is this part will be cancelled because they are the same terms with the negative sign, so we will cancel easily. Now, student, our remaining term is limit h tends to 0 2 minus cos h outside 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 by 36h square So we write limit h tends to 0, 2 minus 2 cos h by 26 h square. Okay, student. Now limit h tends to 0 to 1 minus cos h by 36 h square, and this part will be cancelled. Now we write, student, this is 1 by 80 limit h tends to 0. This 1 minus cos h can be written as 2 sin square h by 2 by h square. So 1 by 80 limit h tends to 0. Okay. Now 2 sin square h by 2 by h square. Yes, when we are dividing with 4 and multiplied with 4. Okay. So this is cancelled 2 times and here 2. This we can written as 1 by 36 limit h tends to 0, and this is sin h by 2 by h by 2 whole square. And student, you know that this is our equal to 1 and our answer will be 1 by 36. Okay. So let's see once again what we have done overall in this question. Okay. So first of all, we have let that x minus pi by 6 is equal to h. So x will be equal to pi by 6 plus h, and our limit will be h tends to 0. So 2 minus root 3 cos, this we can write pi by 6 plus h minus sin pi by 6 plus h by 6. This is pi by 6 plus h minus pi, and this is and whole square. Okay. Now here we expand cos a plus b and sin a plus b, and this is root 2, so we multiply. So we write cos a cos b minus sin b, and this is root 3 and root 3. And here again we expand sin a plus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. Here is negative sign, so sign will be changed here. Okay. Now students, we will put the value of pi by 6. Here is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Here root 3 by 2. Okay. Now we will open the bracket. We get 2 minus 3 by 2 cos h plus root 3 by 2 sin h minus 1 by 2 cos h minus root 3 by 2 sin h. Okay. So we are seeing that student, this part and this part is cancelled because both are same terms with the negative sign. So limit h tends to 0, 2 minus 3 by 2 cos h and 1 by 2 cos h. Now cos h is common here, so we write 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now this we can write 4 by 2, so it will be changed into 2 minus 2 cos h by 36 h square. Okay, so this will be cancelled. So 1 by 80, 1 minus cos h by h square student. So 1 by 18, this 1 minus cos h can be written as 2 sin square h by 2, and this is 2 sin square h by 2, and here h square. So we will multiply and divide with 4 and 4. So this part will be cancelled. So after multiplication we get 1 by 36, and this is we can written. This is the value which is equal to 1, and in this way we can solve this question. Okay. Now student, we take another question and solve it. Let's see another question. Our next question is limit x tends to 0, tan x plus 4 tan 2x minus 3 tan x by x square tan x.
Okay, student. So first of all, in this question we will put the value of tan 2x and tan 3x. Okay.
So write limit x tends to 0, tan x is 4, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x minus 3, 1 minus 3 tan square x by can be written as 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x and by x square tan x. So student, we write limit x tends to 0 with taking tan x common outside. Okay, so we get 1 plus this is 8 by 1 minus tan square x and here minus 3 and here 3 minus tan square x by 1 minus 3 tan square x and by x square tan x. So this is cancelled.
Okay, student. Now, student,
We will take LCM. We'll add limit x tends to 0. We take LCM 1 minus tan square x 1 minus 3 tan square x. We get here 1 minus 3 tan square x and minus tan square x minus minus plus 3 tan to the power 4 x and plus this part will be cancelled, multiply with this part we get 8 minus 24 tan square x. Okay student, now this part is cancelled. Now we are multiplying with this 3. So here is minus 3 and so we write 9. Here we write student 9 minus 3. Okay. So multiply with this term we get 9 9 and minus 3 tan square x. Okay, and this is minus 9 tan square x minus minus plus and 3 10 to the power 4 x. Okay student, and this is x square. So we will solve it. We are writing this is 24 tan square x and tan square x and this is 4. So 1 minus 28 tan square x plus 3 10 to the power 4x plus 8 minus 9 plus and this is minus minus plus 3 and 9 12 tan square x and minus 3 10 to the power 4x. Okay, and this is x square 1 minus tan square x 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now if we will further solve it and let's see this is 3 and this is plus and minus, so we'll cancel it, and this is 8 and 1 9 and here is 9, so this part will be cancelled. Okay student, so the remaining term is 12 and so it will be minus 6 1 10 square x by x square 1 minus 10 square x 1 minus 3 10 square x. Okay student, now this we can write limit x tends to 0 and here minus 60 and this is 10 x by x whole square and this is 1 minus 10 square x 1 minus 3 10 square x. Okay student, now we put the limit we are seeing minus 16 and here this is 1, this is 1 by 1 into 1, so the result is minus 16. I hope you understand this friends. We have just opened this 10 2x and 10 3x, then taken LCM and further solve it, and after cancellation we are seeing that minus 16 10 square x by x square we will write 1 and this part will be 1. Okay, I hope you understand friends. Now we move to next question. Our next question is limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x under root cos 2x by x square. So student, this is our question and we have to find the limit of this question. Okay, so first of all we will visualize this 1 minus cos x by x square into 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x limit x tends to 0. This is where we can write this is a square minus b square, so we can write 1 minus cos x cos square x cos 2x by x square 1 plus cos x cos 2x. Okay student, now limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos square x and this cos 2x we will write 2 cos square x minus 1 by x square 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. So limit x tends to 0 1 minus 2 cos to the power 4x plus cos square x and x square 1 plus cos x cos 2x. Okay student, this is we can write. Okay, now we will factorize this part and we write. Okay, we will factorize this part. So limit x tends to 0 we write 2 cos to the power 4x minus cos square x minus 1 by x square 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. So limit x tends to 0 minus 2 cos to the power 4x minus 2 cos square x plus cos square x minus 1. Student, we can factorize in this form and we write x square 1 plus cos x cos 2x. Now limit x tends to 0 we are taking 2 cos square x outside, getting cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x minus 1 and student x square 1 plus cos x cos 2x. Now limit x tends to 0 minus, this is cos square x minus 1 to cos square x plus 1. Okay. Now after factorization we got this, and student when we multiply this inside bracket we get plus 1 and minus cos square x. So we can write sin square x by x square and limit x tends to 0 to cos square x plus 1 by 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. Okay student, now this part is equal to 1, and in the remaining part we will put our values and get our result. So this is 1 into, and this is 2, cos 0 is 1, so we write 2 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus, and this is 1 and this is 1. So student, we are seeing that we are getting from here 3 by 2, and this 3 by 2 is our required result. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again what we have done in this question and what we have to give in. Okay, so this is limit x tends to 0 and 1 minus cos x under root cos 2x by x square. This is our question and we have to given. So first of all we have rationalized it. We have multiplied and divided with 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. Okay. Now here is we are seeing this is a minus b, and this is a plus b, and this is a square minus b square. Okay student, so our root will be removed from here. Okay, now we get from here limit x tends to 0, this is cos 2x, and we can write 2 cos square x minus 1. We apply the formula of cos 2x. Okay, now we are getting 1 minus this, multiply inside the bracket, we get 2 cos to the power 4x and cos square x, and the denominator is same as. Okay, now here we are taking negative sign outside, we are getting 2 cos to the power 4 minus cos square x minus 1, and in the denominator x square 1 plus cos x under root cos 2x. Okay student, now limit x tends to 0, this is negative, so 2 cos to the power 4x minus 2 cos square x plus cos square x minus 1, and this is x square and denominator is same. Okay, and still we are factorizing, taking common here 2 cos square x, getting cos square x minus 1 plus 1 cos square x minus 1. So in first bracket cos square x minus 1 and 2 cos square x plus 1. Here is negative sign. When we send inside the negative sign, our sign will be changed. It will be 1 minus cos square x, and this can be written as sin square x, and this is our x square, and this part is same as. We are separating the limit with both the terms. Okay, so this part is 1 into, this is limit x tends to 0. We are substituting the value of x here, getting 2 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 student. I hope you understand. Okay, now we move to next question student. Let's see.
next question is limit x tends to 0 sec 4x minus sec 2x by sec 3x minus sec x. Okay, so student, first of all we will change this in cos. Okay, so we write 1 by cos 4x, 1 by cos 2x, 1 by cos 3x, 1 by cos x. Now limit x tends to 0, we write cos 2x minus cos 4x, and here cos x minus cos 3x, and here student cot 3x into cos x by cos 4x into cos 2x. Okay student, now student we apply the formula of cos c minus cos d. Okay student, so we write limit x tends to 0. This is cos c minus cos d, so it will be 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Again 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Okay, and here cos 3x into cos x by cos 4x into cos 2x. This 2 and 2 will reduce from here student, and this sin x will be cancelled. Now we take limit in numerator and denominator, so we write sin 3x. Okay, and we are multiplying with 3x and just write it, dividing with x. Okay, and here limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by x. Okay, so this x and x will reduce, and here we will write also limit x tends to 0 cos 3x cos x by cos 4x cos 2x. Limit x tends to 0 also. Now student, for making the formula, we will multiply here with 3 and here with 3, multiply with 2 and here 2. Now we are seeing that this part is our identity. Okay, this part is our identity. So at the place of this we can write 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into, and here cos 3x into cos x, we will put the limit, we get cos 0 cos 0 cos 0 cos 0. So student, we get 3 by 2 into 1, which is 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is our required result. Okay, so let's see once again student what we have done in this question. We have to give a limit x tends to 0 sec 4x minus sec 2x by sec 3x minus sec x. So limit x tends to 0, first of all we have changed this sec theta into 1 by cos theta. So we can write 1 by cos 4x minus 1 by cos 2x, 1 by cos 3x, 1 by cos x. Okay student, now we are taking LCM this cos 4x and cos 2x, it will be changed in cos 2x minus cos 4x. Similarly in the denominator cos 3x cos x, and here we write cos x minus cos 3x. Okay student, now this and this part this and this part will be goes up, and this part goes to this, so we will write in this form, And here you student we are saying that this is cos C minus cos D. So we know the formula of cos C 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. In the denominator also cos C minus cos D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. This sin and sin will cancel. This 2 and 2 will cancel. And this part will be same as. Now students, we are taking the limits separately. So we write sin 3x, limit with sin 2x, and here with the these both terms with the limit. Okay. So student, here we are dividing with x and x. Okay. And for making 3x, we are multiplying with 3 and dividing with 3. Making 2x, we are multiplying with 2 and dividing with 2. And this term student is 1 and this part is 1. So this is 1 into 3 and 1 into 2. Okay. So into limit x tends to 0. This is cos 3x cos x and cos 4x into cos 2x. Now student, we will put our x is equal to 0. We get all the term is cos 0 and this value will be equal to 1. So our result will be 1. So now after solving this we get 3 by 2. So I hope you understand students. Thank you.